Wow, I'm so happy, so grateful, so excited. The previous batch completed my program, Unshakable Confidence Accelerator, and their testimonial, the feedback is amazing. They have seen the changes, they have overcome their fear of public speaking, and here I'm launching my second batch, which is gonna happen in the coming week. And if you would like to overcome your fear of public speaking, gain more confidence, and become a better communicator expressing yourself, then join my program. You're going to find the link in the bio, or you can just direct message me confidence, and look forward to have you in the program. Please remember to book, and I only take limited people so I can give them all my attention and space as well. See you.